Yon, sa wakas, dumating na ang ating pinakahihintay. Order natin kay Sir Yayue, kay Jason Layug. Yan, order tayo ng darts doon. Let's go! Let's see! Yan, unboxing!
Unboxing! Unboxing!
Unboxing, isa. Yes, yo. Dumating din ang pinakahihintay.
What is that?
Yes! Yayoi darts. Oy, may Bible verse pa, oh. Proverbs 16:3. Commit to the Lord whatever you do and your plans will succeed. Ito yung, ano ba to? Storm? Storm ba to? Ito yung storm. Yeah, boy. Ito yung... Ay. Yes. 21 grams. Ito yung pinakahintay natin eh. Ito, yung Maharlika, oh. Maharlika. 22 grams. Yeah, boy. 22 grams. Look! Really?
I'm kissing you.
Maharlika. 22 grams. Ang grams to? Ay, soft tip to eh. Soft tip. Tapos meron tayong point.
Meron tayo?
Yeah. 41 mm, 36 mm, 38 mm.
And we have
Yan. Let's go! Ano to? Yaye. Yaye darts.
we have
Simple lang pero rock. Simple lang pero rock.
time.
Yay! Na-order natin. Unboxing. Try natin buksan tong ano. Tong Maharlika. Try natin open.
I help you? Daddy, let me help you.
Wait lang. Where's the scissor? Where's the scissor? Give me the scissor.
Papa.
Sisi Aya. Don't open, Isa. Don't open.
What?
Ooh. Astig. Ang ganda, oh. Maharlika. Let's go.